Hello guys and welcome back. Today I just received my very first Voxy box by Influencer. I received these products from Influencer as a complimentary for testing purposes. Right now I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys and show you what products came. If I can find something to open this up with. Right away, I noticed on the outside of the box, it said that it was fragile items on the inside. I like that because sometimes they throw your mail around, which I hate. It says, congratulations, get ready for deep 48-hour hydration with one of the 3 products featured on this card. This is Cetaphil's new Deep Hydration Facial Moisturizer. Collection delivers 48 hours hydration that improves the overall quality of skin. It came in a 1.7 ounce container. It says Healthy Glow Daily Cream. You know, I thought it was going to be 3 products, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm actually looking through, hoping more creams are inside. But no, it only came with the hydration cream, which is fine with me. On the outside of the box, it had 3 products, so I just thought it was more. Now opening the product, like I said, it's a 1.7 ounce container. Pretty nice size. Again, this is only a trial. And let's see, it had like a nice, soft, soapy, clean smell. Wasn't too harsh. Very soft to the touch. Very lightweight. Most moisturizers are like kind of heavy sometimes. And the moment I put it on my face, it was very, very smooth, and it left like a thin layer, but it wasn't, how can I say this? It didn't feel too thick, but you can tell the moisture was there. Now, I did wear this all day until the night. I ended up doing another video and I tried my foundation on with it, and I noticed it did not clash with any of my foundations. It says to wear this in the day or in the morning and to wear it at night before bed. I am actually on my 3rd day, if I'm not mistaken, on trying this product. And you know what, you guys, I'm really happy about this. This is my honest opinion. I hope you guys loved the video. Please check out this product, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.